In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch modes safely on Deribit. On Deribit, switching modes can refer to changing between cross-margin and isolated margin, upgrading to portfolio margin, or separating your trading activity by using sub-accounts. Each option changes how your collateral is handled, so it is important to follow the process carefully. To switch between cross-margin and isolated margin, open the order form for the specific contract you want to change, such as BTC Perpetual. At the top of the order entry panel, find the margin toggle labeled Cross or Isolated. Before switching an active position from cross to isolated, check your maintenance margin metric. When you move to isolated margin, the collateral assigned to that position is reduced to its initial margin requirement. If the market is moving quickly against your position, the isolated trade may not have enough collateral and could liquidate immediately. After switching to isolated margin, adjust your position size or add independent margin to that isolated position right away, so it has enough collateral assigned to it. If you want to upgrade to portfolio margin, start by navigating to your account settings. Find the margin model configuration section, then click the option to request or enable portfolio margin. Keep in mind that Deribit requires a minimum equity level to activate and maintain portfolio margin. This requirement has historically been the equivalent of 2,000 USDC, or 5. If your account equity drops below that minimum because of market movements, portfolio margin will automatically be disabled. If that happens, your account is switched back to the standard margin model. Once the switch occurs, your margin requirements increase immediately. If your open positions require more margin under the standard model than your remaining account equity can support, the system will automatically begin liquidating positions until the account meets the required margin levels again. To reduce the chance of this happening, avoid operating a portfolio margin account with equity close to the minimum requirement. Keep additional available funds in the account, so that a temporary drop in equity does not trigger an automatic return to the standard margin model. If you want to test a high-leverage trading strategy or run a new algorithmic bot, avoid changing modes on your main account. Instead, open your profile menu and go to the Sub-Accounts tab. Create a new isolated sub-account with a separate name. After creating it, transfer only a small portion of your capital into that sub-account. Using separate sub-accounts keeps each strategy isolated. If one sub-account experiences a worst-case liquidation event, it remains limited to that account and does not affect the balances held in your primary account. Thank you for watching.